Good morning, everyone. I'm back with your question answers of poem After the Storm. Question number 1 is, what does the speaker describe in the first two lines? Was it just rain or was it a storm? What kind of scene is described in the two lines? Which words help create a contrast with the picture described at the start of the poem? Answer is, in the first two lines, the speaker describes that the night was super windy with heavy rainfall. It was a storm because it was raining heavily with roaring wind. In the next two lines, the speaker describes the rising of the calm and bright morning sun and the singing of birds in the distant woods. But now is the word which is creating contrast. Question number 2 is, when the speaker says a bird broods over his own sweet voice and another bird chatters and a third bird makes answer, is that just what he actually hears, or does he imagine what birds think and mean? Actually, the speaker heard them chirp and sing, but he imagines as if the stock bird is brooding and singing, the magpie is chattering, and the jay is answering to magpie. Question number 3. Look at the line and all the air. Noise is usually an unpleasant sound, especially if it is loud enough to fill the air. Does it, however, depend on where the sound comes from and what mood we are in at the time? Yes, it really depends on the sound source, where the sound comes from, and what kind of mood we are in at that time. In the given lines, the sounds of water bodies like river, lakes, and waterfalls are adding beauty to the day and making the poet happy and cheerful. Question number 4. All things that love the sun are out of doors. What things does the poet mentions? The poet mentioned the birds like stock dove, magpie, and a hare in the poem. Question number 5. What do you think the speaker means when he says that the hare is running races? The hare plays with the plashy earth and the raindrops which are settled on the grass blades. Here, the speaker refers to the way the hare is running and its feet throwing up a small cloud of water through water drops. This shines in the sunlight and follows the hare as it runs. That's all for today. Thank you and have a good day.